everyone, today we're going to read Bluey the Pool. Please like, share, and subscribe. It's a hot summer day and Bluey wants to know what the family is going to do. Nothing until you've cleaned your teeth, says Mom, but Bluey doesn't want to. That's boring. Boring things are important too, says Mom. Bluey thinks that if boring things were important, then they'd be more fun. Dad bursts in. Let's go for a swim in Uncle Stripe's pool, he yells. Yeah, cry the girls. Don't forget the swim stuff, calls Mom, but Bluey, Bingo, and Dad are already rushing out of the door and into the car. Mom is such a fusspaw. She always makes us do boring things, says Bluey. She does, says Dad. When they get to Uncle Stripe's, Bluey leaps down onto the footpath. It's hot. Bluey and Bingo don't have their sandals. Ow, ow, ee! So Dad ends up carrying them. Then it's time for Bluey and Bingo to put on their rash vests and sunscreen, but Dad forgotten them. Biscuits. We'll just have to stay in the shade a bit, and we'll put our hats on, says Dad. What hats? Asks Bluey. Bluey does a cannonball in the pool. This is going to be fun. Bingo wants to jump in too. Dad, can I have my floaties? She asks. Sorry, Squirt, I didn't bring them, says Dad. Bingo's not sure about the crawly thing either. Bluey wants to swim all the way to the other end of the pool, but she can't go in the sunny bit. You've got no sunscreen on, Dad reminds her. Dad, is the shady bit going to get bigger or smaller? Asks Bluey. Bigger for sure, says Dad. I meant smaller, says Dad. The pool doesn't seem that fun anymore. Dad, I'm bored. Dad, I'm cold. Dad, I'm freezing. Dad, I'm hungry. Dad, I'm starving. Dad. Okay, can everyone stop saying Dad? Says Dad. I think Dad is actually boring. Mom is way more fun, declares Bluey. A warm voice floats into the pool area. Oh, that's nice to hear, says Mom. I brought all the swim stuff you left behind. Mom even remembered to bring morning tea. After they've eaten, Mom helps Bluey put on some sunscreen, and Dad helps Bingo with her floaties. So, boring things are important sometimes then, asks Mom. Yes, agrees Bluey. Goggles mean Bluey can play torpedo. Floaties mean Bingo can escape from the crawly thing. And sinkies take you to the very bottom of the pool, where you can see all sorts of things. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.